Today I got this MacBook Pro. Customer said it doesn't turn on. When I press power button, I can still hear the chime sound, but the screen is black. Let's open it to see what's wrong. It looks like someone opened it before. Let me unplug the lid sensor and see. It works with lid sensor unplugged. Trackpad and keyboard are all working properly. But the screen is not shut when I close the lid. And also it won't put into sleep mode. I believe it has a faulty sensor. I removed it and check under the microscope. It looks perfect, no liquid damaged or anything. I put it back. I am going to order a new sensor and Nerd.Tool.1 lid angle sensor tools. Okay, I received the sensor and tool 2 weeks later. Let's check it now. I'm going to install the new sensor received today. The problem is still the same with the new sensor installed. So let's using the tools to check the old sensor. As you can see, the old sensor is nothing wrong. Let's remove the motherboard and keep looking for the issues. Okay, motherboard is out. Let's check the board under microscope. The lid sensor connector is good. I have to check it carefully. because customers said it went to another shop before. Aha, there is a little component has been knocked off. Let's check the schematic to see what it is. It's a 0.01 microcapacitor. I will put one on later. Keep looking on the board. The board looks very clean. Let's test the lid protector. Pin 2, open line. This is not right according to the schematic. The rest of pins are all good. Pin 2 is PP3V3 power line. It should not be open. Let's check where this power rail connected to. Check one of the connection points. This capacitor CR210 is one of them. Let's check if this is open line as well. It's open line. It seems this trace is broken some point. Let's find another point. Here is a small corrosion. I think I found the problem. The QV010 point is corroded. Let's check the trace between RX418 and QV010 pin 1. It's open line. Okay, let's fix it. Let's put the logic board back and test it. Fixed, another happy customer.